Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. Hey now, it's your girl ChonitaNicole, and welcome to Do Dream On if you're new. And if you're already a dreamer, welcome back, y'all. Welcome back. Welcome back, y'all. Welcome back. Alright, today you guys asked for, and I'm gonna give y'all what y'all want. Just a quick video on how I designed the stickers for the MUNBYN printer, the thermal printer. Just really quick, how I designed it in Canva. So that is what we're doing today. So let's jump on in. Let's go. Okay, so what we're going to do is create a design. We made the image 2.25 by 1.25 inches because that is the size of our stickers. And these are just our thank you stickers. I had already started, sorry. So I used the Allura. This is a font that actually is in Canva. I personally have the paid version of Canva, but you can use the free version. But for certain things, you see where it says pro. For certain things that's pro, you would just have to pay individually if you wanted to use that. So if you are not familiar with Canva, I do have several Canva tutorials just going over some different things, explaining how it works. So I won't be doing that in this video. This is specifically just showing how I created the stickers for the MUNBYN printer that I showed you guys. Is really a thermal printer and it's really for shipping labels, but you can make stickers as well. I made it, and several people in my group and even some people on YouTube and in my inboxes and different things on social media sites asked if I could just show how I created it. So that's all I'm doing. So like I said, I used the Thank You Beautiful, I used the Allura, and then I'm going to try to see if I can change this font. This font is called the Lux Serif. I actually had to purchase this font from Creative Market. I believe that's where I got that from. So I had to purchase that font. I actually love it. I use it a lot. But I purchased that font. I use the elements for those lips. That is part of my pro subscription. So basically just saying thank you for your purchase. And then I'm just going to fast forward it because I was just playing around with it. When I do designs, as you guys know, it takes me it depends on what it is. It takes me a second because I want it to look a certain way. So you'll see me just playing around with the fonts, with the positioning, different things like that. When I make things, I want it to just look nice. I don't want to just throw it up there. So sometimes it takes a minute for me to make sure the fonts are correct, that they actually match, they look good together, that the sizing looks good together, etc. So I just play around with it until it's of my liking. So this is the Thank You Beautiful one, the Thank You for Your Purchase Beautiful. And then I think I'm going to go ahead and just fast forward and get to the next ones. Okay, so the next sticker I'm going to make, it's going to actually say handmade with love. So I was just trying to figure out what fonts I wanted to use for that. I know, like I previously said in the other video, it's a group that I was in. My friend actually told me to join a group where I saw the people using the MUNBYN. And she has some really cute stickers and different things like that. So some of these I got, they were similar to hers. I was like, oh, that's a great idea. So I'm just trying to figure out what fonts I want to use, how I want it to look. Once again, all of this is up to your liking, right? I could have used this one, but I wanted it to have the lowercase h. You have to play around with your designs like how you want them. Only you know how you want your designs to look, right? People can give you inspiration and give you ideas, but the creative process should go, you know, in your brain, like, how do I want it to look? So anywho, this is just showing how I'm going through the process, what fonts I'm going to use. I told you before, I love this deluxe serif. Um, and so I'm using that again. I'm going to add a cute little heart. I even played around with some lips, but I wanted the heart to be a certain heart. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and probably fast forward through this as well, just showing you how I was playing around with the sizing, making sure everything is in the middle. So with Canva, they give some really cool things. They give you these guides. You see those like magenta lines and boxes? It lets you kind of know what's the middle, uh, if everything is aligned together, what's too close, etc. So things can look right because people don't know, you know? So that kind of helps and it gives you a guide. I also made one with lips. I actually have a ton of ideas for stickers. I didn't just show them all here. So like in the video, I didn't show that I put the lips on there. But yeah, I think I'm going to go ahead and speed it up here too. Because y'all know I could talk. Y'all know I can. So I'm just go ahead and let y'all watch how I did it. Alright, and now I'm just duplicating the pages and I'm making the last one. I like to play around with the different hearts and colors and like I said, see what I'm feeling. Now I did make these black because I'm not sure if you're familiar with the thermal printer. You can only print in black. So that's why I just made it black. I don't want to get used to seeing it in color when I know when I printed out the printer it wouldn't be in color, but you can buy stickers to go with those printers in different colors. So like I said, once again, just playing around with different things and seeing what works and what does not. So here's something that I did realize and I noticed. You see how that do shop on my logo is like layered. If you have not seen the video already, then you could go ahead and watch this in the description box. But that do shop on, because it's a thermal printer and it's only printing out one black color, that is going to bleed onto each other. So you're not going to be able to see the do shop on. It's not going to work. So that did not work. So if you have logos or different things like that's like multi-layered or overlapping, it will not work with this type of printer. So I do want you to know that. That thank you card looks cute, but it just will not work for this particular, the MUNBYN printer, it won't work. So what I could do, and I will do, is because I made that logo, I am going to take that rectangle, the pink rectangle, out of the back, so it'll just be the Afro girl and the do shop on. Okay, so that's it. That's easy peasy. That's how I actually made the cards. You guys wanted it, so I showed you. It's not really too much more to go over, but if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, please holla at your girl. If you have not joined Queen Dreamer, please make sure that you do. Oh, I'm actually not done. I'm trying to get out of here, so I'm not done. What I'm going to show you next is actually how you can print the image from the printer. Okay, so that's what I'm going to show you next. So the files have been downloaded as a PNG in Canva, and then you went up to the top and pressed print. And now I'm scrolling to get to the 2.2 by 1.25 inches. You see where it says paper size? That's where I'm going to go ahead and go. Now, this is the MUNBYN ITPP941. Somebody actually asked me that. So that's what it is. And then I'm printing it out and it's fine. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to set it as a preset for the pink stickers, so I don't have to keep going back and keep scrolling and doing different things like that. So I'm going to show you how I set it up for, or set it up as a preset. So I went to File, I went to Print, and then once again I'm going to paper size. It's automatically 8.5 by 11 inches, but I went to 2.25 by 1.25 inches. Okay, so you see how I was able to get in that size. And then what I did was I'm going to show you. I'm going to do it again. I go to Print, and then I'm going to go ahead and go to where it says Presets, Default Settings. I'm going to go to Save Current Setting as Preset. And then the window pops up and it says Preset Name. So I'm actually going to put Pink Stickers. That's what I want this name to be. And then I only want it available for this printer because none of my other printers I'll be loading the stickers in. So that wouldn't work. So that's how I set up my preset. I know people always ask me about presets and different things. So that's how I did it specifically for this printer. See, I'm just re-showing you what I did. For the preset name is Pink Stickers. And that's that. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. So now I can say, and that's a wrap. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you guys have any questions, comments, or concerns, holla at your girl. Remember, these were all made inside of Canva. The size is 2.25 by 1.25 inches. You can get the MUNBYN printer as well as the stickers all off of Amazon. You can also get the shipping labels off of Amazon as well, or you can reach MUNBYN.com. Okay, so thank you guys so much for your support. I appreciate you guys, and y'all know what I'm about to say, right? I love y'all. And y'all, remember, 20 years from now, you will be more disappointed by the things that you didn't do than by the things you did do. So throw off the bowlines, sail away from the safe harbor, catch the trade winds in your sails. Explore, dream, discover. Word to Mark Twain. 8,085. I'm blown away, y'all. On our road to 10K subscribers, we are at 8,085. Oh, child, we so close. We less than 2,000. So please continue to like, comment, share, subscribe, share with your friends. If you think anyone will be interested in this channel, make sure you share it with them. I appreciate it, and I love y'all. Y'all be safe out there, you hear? Bye. Thank you for your time. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye.